One paw rocks. Oh, jeez.
She wants to be filled.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind.
Good morning. Katatapos ko lang nag-blow dry. Naglagay ako ng lipstick, yung Maybelline. At saka nagpa-powder lang ako ng mascara at saka brow. Yun lang. Yung ginamit kong brow, guys, gustong-gusto ko siya. Yung, ano tawag nito? Wet n Wild. Yun, so Wet n Wild siya. Ang ganda niya, guys. Nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Maglaba ako, guys. Maglaba. Oh, you're making another pancake. He's making another pancake. Good morning. Say good morning, my love boy. Good morning. Oh, morning. He's making pancake. He want me to be fatty. Your pancakes are sitting there, right? I know. I can smell it from up there. Making pancake. No, I'm doing laundry now. I don't come down just for that. Yeah, whatever. Tell the truth, what? Tell the truth.
Good.
Why you lying now?
My eggs over there?
No, I just eat. Remember, we ate together already. Here's another pancake. He knows I love his pancake. For some reason, his pancake is the best. Right, baby?
I think so.
Yeah. Now I have to look for it. Because I know I just took it in the freezer. It's right here, all?
Come on, come on.
Ay, naku. This is what, like...
Bury it under the vegetable.
Bury it. Are you kidding me? That's where it's supposedly, Han. And then you take one up here like that. Itong tawhana to talaga. Han, bakit ganyan ka, Han? Bakit ganyan ka? Why you like that? So you were waiting for your machine toy.
Yeah.
Guys, he ordered some toys. A big toy for him.
Toy.
It's a toy.
Thank you.
It's a big toy for him. And Roxy is ready to play with the toy. But you don't cook me every morning. You don't cook me. Like, what the heck? You don't love me anymore. People said because we don't live together, so you kind of like don't have your heart for me anymore.
Yes, I do.
Oh, they're here, Han. So, somebody is not eating the breakfast. It's Roxy. Roxy doesn't eat the breakfast. Roxy, you guys doesn't eat the breaky. Why? Huh? Oh. Guys, gusto niyang makita ninyo yung ginawa niya.
You don't want to take a picture of everything.
Tignan niyo. Tapos na daw yung omelette niya, guys. Proud na proud. Ito siya, guys. So proud.
No.
Look at it. He's washing dishes. I always wash my Ziploc bag. Always. He's a good husband, guys. He's all over. He's all around.
Come on, come on.
He can fix cars. He can fix laptop. He can fix house. He can fix everything. What? But he doesn't fix my broken heart. Can you fix my broken heart, Han?
I am a god, you dull creature.
It's not broken anymore. You just fixed it long time ago. Honey?
Well, you just told me it can't be fixed.
10 years ago. Believe it or not, ilong nagkanat.
No.
At, bebe. Bebe. What a good baby. Why you took that out anyway?
So do pancakes, huh?
That's where you use it?
So we do some pancakes.
That's where you cook?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. Did you really use that?
Yeah.
And it works, right?
Yeah, of course.
Hello. Did you clean it?
Could have cooked the eggs too on there, but decided not to.
Hello, did you really use it? Is that the one that Yvonne gave us?
Yeah.
Or that's the one that we have?
I'm assuming it's what Yvonne gave us.
Is it broken?
Broken?
In the front one?
What?
I think that's the one from the other house. Let's see kung anong ginagawa ng asawa ko, guys. Tignan. Look at her. Huh? You look like a tail, Han. It just keep wobbling. Maglinis. Kailangan ko na namang maglinis dito, guys. Hala, tignan nyo kung sinong andun. Ay, nako, si Dimple Lurch. Si Dimple Lurch. Hi, Dim! Hello, Dim! Do you wanna come over here, baby? Hello, Dimple Lurch. Kailangan ko nang i-trim ito, guys. Bibili pa muna kami ng mga trimmer bago ko ito, ano. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, as in. Sobra. Bibili na naman ako ng trimmer nito. And you squeeze him. Hi, Bog. Hello, Bog. It looks nice, huh?
You put a little gas and you drive it? Yeah, right.
Yeah. The toy ng asawa ko, guys. Andito na siya. The toy is here. Oh my goodness, that tiny toy of Tommy. It's not tiny, guys. This is a good toy in the Philippines. Let me see. Can you? I think you can adjust the seat, Han. Oh, is that how you adjust it? Is it locked? Ah, it's like that. So the wheel in the front is smaller than the back. You won't like that, especially this one. Oh, you open the spaceship over there, guys. So what is this, Sammy? Explain. It's the motor. This is the helmet of the motor. Be careful. La 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 la. How do you know if it's full? That's the name of it. And I think this is the model. Don't blow that up, madami ha. Hello, honey, oi!
Little cold.
¿Cómo se llama?
Okay, tell me what to do. Where is the brake and the turn?
Sit on it. I'll tell you. Go ahead. Try again.
It's really
Try again.
fast. So if I go like that, I go like this.
Are you too close? You too close?
This is
or not close enough?
So what I'm gonna do?
You need to be closer because your foot.
This is good. This is good.
Yeah, but how far can you push that pedal, that front pedal?
Like this?
You can push all the way?
Yeah, it's yeah.
Okay.
How about this?
Okay, push the brake pedal all the way.
You want back it? You done already? You done already? No, wait, one more thing here. Uh-oh. Let it go. Watch. Now. Lowering the mowing blade. Out. Now you're cutting. What? All the way up. All the way. I can't do it. Let go. Back it. You gotta go backwards. You gotta move him on here. I like to back it. Oh, good. Now you got my new one.
We have my always naman kaming may kaproblema nitong ano guys, drive garage door namin. It's always a problem.
Well, this one's been a problem with what house?
Yeah. So it's been like going up, going down. It's like.
Oh, it's giving you a paw.
Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Roxy, give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw.
She gets freaky when you touch her paw.
Give me your paw.
One paw, Rox.
Only one. Give me your paw like this. What is this? Your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. You're sitting up too. Okay, down. 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 Lay down. Lay down. Roxy, down. Good girl. Okay, can you roll over? Roll over? No, you don't know roll over yet. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up. Sit up properly. Sit up. Sit up. Good girl. You eat my hand. She ate my hand. Sit down, Misty. Down. Misty, down. Down. Give me your paw. Good girl. Lay down.
Oh, jeez.
She wants to be filled. Okay. Lay down, Roxy. Down, Roxy. Lay down. Down. Good girl. Sit up, miss. Sit up, Roxy. Sit up.
Up, down, up, down. What the hell do I look like to you?
Nobody's perfect.
Sit up, Roxy. Sit up. Sit up properly. Don't hold me. Sit up. No, sit up. Sit up.
It's a good girl. Come on, she's sitting up.
Good girl.
Hey. You want her to fall over backwards and hit her head.
Oh, this. Oh my God. Look. She slowly this.
Yeah, but you took it. She didn't give it to you.
Yeah, but at least you let me hold it. Remember?
I know.
It's like, give me your paw. Give me your paw. Hello, guys. Anyway, guys. Ano na, guys? 7:43. Nakakaalis lang ng asawa ko at sa kabiyanan ko. Kakaalis lang talaga nila. And, yeah. So, yun lang. Anyway, guys. So, I'm going to end this vlog kasi mag-ano pa ako, guys. Maglalaro. Mag-edit din. Coming in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.